What are you doing now?
I'm just trying to imagine being this age again.
This is the problem.
Things go wrong in a marriage, and the mother will say, "See, I told you."
I will accept that you will marry another people. It will be hurt for a while, but...
Good morning, Philippines!
Guys, pasensya na yung lips ko. Sobrang dry kasi nilagyan ko ng petroleum na gas.
Right. Lying on his left side, his head in the ground.
Tristan,
Just lying there like he was asleep.
hold on there. I saw her poke around that silly head of yours before you go flying on any movie. Flying up that tree at all.
Quiet!
That's why they were here. You brought.
It's getting cold. Yesterday
I told you it was
so
going to get
hot.
colder. And I told you that yesterday. Yesterday was almost 60 degrees. Today it's going to be in the 40s. Tomorrow it's going to be in the 30s. It's going to go.
Did you eat?
Something.
Don't even think about it.
You don't have the money to pay for a real architect for the school.
I thought it's...
You raised $550.
Honey.
I'd say that should pay for a half.
I thought it's
That
angel.
money is not just for the building.
You got to switch to channel 112.
Book, that.
What's wrong with you? Why you look funny?
That's a good question. Huh?
Why you look funny?
Some funny looking, funny walking, funny.
You look funny, baby. I'm going to do... I really want to get pregnant. And then I will try to do fertility, or not fertility, I will try to do like a fertility thing in the calendar to monitor my thing. Oh, it's not fertility. To monitor my menstruation. Huh? Not very good.
Oh, mine is this one. Really? Seriously?
It's just a life. It's life. Anyway, guys, good morning. We don't know what to do today. I want to clean up the house with Tommy, but no, he is planning different.
I gotta get money into the bank, and I gotta go to the headstone place and have the headstone arrangements for the headstone. It needs to be done. Hi guys, this hidden camera thing I'm not crazy about.
He is such a good-looking. People said you're so guapa.
They're confused.
Guapa. Look.
Hon? It was good, hon.
I just really want to empty the whole thing, but my husband is like, I can't put this in the container, plastic.
Eat your food. Don't even look at me.
You know what? I'm going to do work while he's doing something. I'm gonna work in the cabinets. I'll get a box. Kung hindi ko to gawin, walang mangyayari sa buhay. Ito siya, guys, yung guys, kung hindi pa ninyo nakita yun, guys, yung dumpster natin, ito yung nakuha ko, guys. Ito lang yun kasi yung sa dumpster kasi, yung pagpunta namin doon, ang daming parang yung sa cellophane, ang nakikita ko is parang water, yung ginagamit ng mga tao, ininom, nilabay, mga regular na basura. Wala akong nakita. So ito lang yung nakita ko. So ito, kinuha natin. We need to buy more U-Haul boxes. Yun yung gagawin namin. Ito, guys, itatapon namin ito. Hindi itatapon, i-donate. Mga pabango. Marami kasi akong pabango na hindi ko talaga nagamit. So, ayaw ko ng mga pabango. Ito, ito, guys. Hindi ko alam. Photo of the family. I think I will keep this album. So, ito siya. Ganito siya. Maganda naman siyang album. I-keep ko na lang ito, guys. I have to keep this. I will put this right here. Yan. May mga pa dito, guys. Ito, guys. I-donate man ito kasi hindi namin talaga, alam naman, kung dalhin namin lahat, hindi naman ito magagamit. Ito din, Domino's. Anong magagamit sa Domino's? Pang ito? Anong gamitin sa Domino's? Ang dami, ang bigat pa. Yung mga Wonder World, encyclopedia. Ang dami, guys, encyclopedia. Kasi mga i-donate ito namin. Kung gusto nyo, mga encyclopedia po ito. Madami. Ito din. Isang different colors. Ito, Wonder World Encyclopedia, Great Events in World History. Look, mga history po. Look, mga history. Ano, marami pa talaga. So, yun, meron pa doon sa taas. Ito siya mga gustong i-keep. Ano ni Tami. Another box, all these boxes. Ito is Harvard. From Harvard Classic, the 5-foot shelf of books, Elizabeth Drama. So, look, lahat ito. Box, mga ganito. Look, puro sila. They're all the same thing. This one is 43. Historical documents. American historical documents. Yan, kung gusto nyo, let me know.
I don't know.
What are you doing now?
I'm just trying to imagine being this age again.
This is the problem. That's why people
You went to those cabinets and then I put those containers in there.
Very interesting.
Now you're going to open the cabinet again.
Yes, I will put the cabinets to throw all some and then keep.
I
That
need
we
to
know
just
what's
get
what.
away from this. Maybe,
The problem, honey. You know what? You have a
My
problem.
problem was I didn't think about it yesterday, but a bag of towels and sheets, we should have given that to Goodwill, not to the garbage.
not that kind of work.
You know what's in the hand? There is yellow mark. This. Are you willing to give all the shit left over from your family?
No, I mean, you had all the towels and stuff. I'm sure they were good towels.
I bring some of the good one.
I know, but I'm sure there were plenty in that bag.
No, it's like big shits that is like yellow. That's why I look. I open it up. Yeah. You're not gonna give it, huh? I get the good bed sheets. I get the good towel. It's in the thing, the bag over there. The one that I threw out, it's just really ugly, huh? And it's yellow in the edges, like somebody stole it. Lubricant.
My mother
Lubricant.
car crash a
Huh?
long time
Mineral
ago.
oil.
Yeah, that means lubricant. You know what it is?
Not
So used for like
Your mother is
honey. Lubricant.
Lubricant doesn't mean necessarily that, it's just like in your head it doesn't show.
Where's
Honey.
she been for 20 years?
Honey.
And that river would hold me
Hon.
20 years.
Come on!
Come on, you ain't get your money out quicker than that.
Canning oil.
There are
Like your sisters.
Finish your puzzle.
Don't open.
You
Why
like
say
to do
don't open? Now I
puzzles?
wanna open. Ah.
It's been a long time since
Oh,
I
it's a
did one.
surprise.
Freaking
Dad and I
condom.
used to do them all
Hon,
the
why
time
you do that?
together. You have to start with the corner pieces first. She was putting puzzles together just like my dad.
My camera don't naked.
And then when I told her my name, she got upset.
Hi.
Just like she used to.
Hello guys. So time check, it is 10. And I think aalis ako mamayang gabi. Still early, it's 10 o'clock. But Tommy he was planning to go to the shower. So nag-shower siya. Wala ang tubig, hindi mainit. So ngayon, tinitignan niya yung boiler sa basement. May hindi nag-on. So ngayon, inaayos na naman niya. Palagi niya yung inaayos. Alam niyo guys, itong boiler dito, yung oil is very old. It was yung talagang very, very old. sa ilalim ng, yung tank is nasa ilalim ng lupa. So, old style siya. Kasi ngayon yung mga oil is nasa labas na, ganun. Tank, katulad yung sa amin, may tank na. Ngayon, yung tank is nasa ilalim ng lupa. So, yun yung old style. So, ngayon, yung boiler sa ilalim, yung palaging nasisira. Klaro na dito yung buhok dito. Kailangan ko na yung i-shave. Anyway, so, it's already 1 something. And, at 12:30, late kaming nakaalis kasi matagal yung uminit yung tubig. So, katatapos lang ulit namin naligo. So, nagbihis na rin ako. Yan, balik lang itong coat kasi maginaw. Yung plano is, punta sa bangko, deposit to, may deposit lang. And also, we're going to cemetery para may anuhin si Tami. Sabihin niya doon sa cemetery na ipalagay yung pangalan ng biyanan ko, yung ina niya. And then, we're going to the grocery store also to get some milk. Yeah? What?
What did I get for you? I always put a little message popped up.
I don't get anything.
Funny new notifications. Mail. I never get it. Also now I got that.
What is that?
Mail notifications?
Why you get mail notification? Oh yeah, I always get that.
I never get that. That means something changed in my computer. And the only thing that could have changed was from taking a drive from you to here. That's very bizarre.
That's fine. It's not gonna hurt you. It's just pop up.
Yeah, I don't like pop-ups. Period.
Han, it's automatic with the Mac.
No, it never did before.
Ang ulan, maulan din guys, look.
I'm gonna go to
Sige bang?
the nozzle first.
Ha?
Try and go one direction, but get the nozzle,
Okay.
the burner.
Okay.
We had to come back this way anyway to go to the cemetery, so. Let's go to the bank.
I need something wrong.
Well, because I'm gonna go this way, then that way, then this way.
Something wrong.
Wasting time. Well, I'm not thinking that, yeah, I gotta get to the tool.
Oh, we're not gonna visit mom then because it's raining again. We're just gonna go quick over there. It's always raining guys. Yung plano na pupunta doon, uulan. Kada namin, plano na magpunta doon, uulan talaga. It's raining. Hi guys. Andito si Tami sa bangko ngayon. And nagka-problema ako sa kanya. Parang sa ginawa niya ngayon na-realize ko na wala nang pundo si biyanan para sa bahay, yung kung ano yung nasa kanila. So ngayon, ang ibig sabihin nito is 2 na yung bill na babayaran niya. Nasa kanya yung pera. Yung bahay namin at bahay ni biyanan. So ngayon, kami yung magsasuffer. So hindi ko alam guys, inaway ko nga eh. Pero sabi pa niya, daw, oh my god, sumakit yung puso ko guys. Sumakit yung puso ko. Ang ulan pumasok oh. Kasi open yung window. Kaloka. Pero yun siya guys. Hintayin ko na lang si Tami. Andito siya ngayon sa bangko. And nakaka-depress. Aray, shit. Nakaka-depress lang kasi Pero yung sabi ni Tami is bayaran daw siya ng dapat bayaran siya kapag mabinta yung bahay. Pero sa tingin ko hindi yan mangyayari. Dito na siya guys. Do you have enough space at the back?
I don't know. Did somebody pull up for me?
No, there is the one in the back.
Yeah, but did they pull on after me?
No.
Well, if I had no space to get in, I got no space to get out. You wouldn't.
I can.
You could, huh?
I can get out like this.
And you like it's too small to get into.
Oh my god. Oh no, you're too close now.
I'm good.
I said you're too close. You're good.
Huh? I drive all the time. My car doesn't do that nice stuff that your car does. I gotta watch that pole.
You're good. Your pull is really far.
I crack that pole real easy. Crack the car real easy.
Okay, you have to go back to
TD.
Oh, the TD is here. So did you get the receipt to prove that you did this?
Yes, I took a picture of the check, so. And the statements and stuff on them, you know, so that's no problem.
Statement, like you keep the statement. Go up to my camera. Slow down, boys. We are heading to the plumbing supply. Because my husband love his supply. You guys, I've been watching this Sarah and Matteo Godicelli's wedding. It sucks, guys. When your parents doesn't like the guy and you hide, you do your wedding secretly, and then suddenly in the reception area your mother show up and harassed everyone and yelling.
That's fun.
That's not, would you like that, honey? You get married and you hide your wedding?
Well, that'll teach you to hide it. Then your mother shows up, you didn't hide it very well, did you? And now she's pissed off that you hid it from her and you went and got married without telling her. There you go. So.
Okay, can I tell you something? Who
Right,
is these people? Sarah and Matteo is a celebrity.
Okay.
Sarah is a big celebrity in the Philippines. She's a singer and actress, and award-winning actress like that. So she has been following her mother. She's 31 years old now. She's been following her mother's rule. Okay, don't do this guy. Never have a really like a serious boyfriend, because all the guys sought her here. The parents, mostly the mother, doesn't like them. So now that Sarah's in love with this guy, Matteo Godicelli, she's in love. They've been having a relationship for a while, already long time, and then he proposed, and then after that she really doesn't like it. She doesn't approve of anything. So but a lot of support from her, because she supports her parents, give them a good life, give them businesses, bodyguards and shit, everything. So now she stopped her daughter's happiness.
Well, how did she stop her daughter's happiness? The daughter should have stood up to her and said, look, I'm marrying this guy, you don't like it, well, you don't have to come, but I'm doing it. Not that she hides it like a child, like, well, I just won't tell her. I mean,
No, because she will stop.
How can she stop her?
No, she's
30 years old, and she's gonna stop her.
No,
Shoot her?
but the thing is that the different Filipino parents that very strict, it's insane. If you are very strict and hysterically and stop, yeah, you can stop the wedding. The same thing with the, who wanna stop the wedding? The parents say, me, I don't want it.
You can't stop the wedding.
Huh?
You can't stop the wedding.
Yes, you can.
Like,
So-
make a big stink about everything, but they can't really stop the wedding.
So that's what happened, and so now it's a noise in celebrity life in the Philippines. I'm just saying that. What do you think, guys? What do you think of this Mommy Divine hysterical?
I think it would suck for her if things go wrong in the marriage, and the mother would say, see, I told you. And then she'll have to live with that the rest of her life. Oh, fucking mom was right.
Yeah, but the thing is, if your parents, this is what I noticed, if your parents are they're very strict, and then they don't let you do what you want, or I mean, you're afraid, you hide everything, you start like hiding.
That's childish.
No, you start. Well, Sarah is never be. Sarah, she deserves to be happy.
That's right.
Okay.
So that's childish. She should deserve to be happy. Stand up and say, look.
No, the relationship is open. It's just being. The mother doesn't want Sarah to be with Matteo, boyfriend or whatever. Any guy that Sarah have in a relationship, Mommy Divine,
Fine.
go cray.
She needs to turn around and tell Mommy Divine, hey, this is my life. I pick him. You don't like it? Well, then butt out. It's my life.
It's over there.
It's behind here.
No. Go turn there.
Turn here, right?
The lights.
Yeah. It's right behind here, I think.
I don't know. This is behind over there. Honey's Burger King. This is. This is your Burger King, honey. Okay, guys. I'm lobat, guys. So, usap tayo. So, what do you think about that, guys? Yung mga kay Sarah and very controlling mother, parents, I don't know. It's all about Mommy Divine. They don't even talk about Sarah's father. It's crazy. Sarah deserved to be happy. Pero, sa mga nangyayari ngayon, sana alagaan talaga ni Matteo at mahalin si Sarah. Kasi alam nyo, kapag hindi yan gawin, maraming magagalit kay Mateo. Alam nyo naman si Sarah, ang daming fans. So, maraming magagalit, and also yung parents is magbunyi. Yun nun, kawawa si Sarah nun. So, sana talaga, mahalin lang talaga ni Mateo at huwag magloko. Kasi may pagkaano din ito si Mateo. Pero, marami namang nagsasabi na mahal talaga si Sarah. Pero yun. So, yun lang yun, guys. And, si Mami Divine, ano pang gusto niya? Gusto pa ba niya ng milyong-milyong pera sa lapi from Sarah? Okay naman yung life nila, di ba? Binigyan sila ng business. Maganda yung pamumuhay nila ngayon. At natulfo pa, guys. Ginoo ko, natulfo pa si ano, yung nagpatulfo pa talaga yung guard. Kaluka yung guard na yan. At ang dami pang witnesses. I think yung ano, ang nangyayari sa bodyguard is, yung Mami Divine is papuntahin siya sa Tulfo. Yun yung ano ko, naisip ko. Yun lang yung naisip ko. Para mapahiya si Mateo ba? Para lang mapahiya si Mateo. So, yun lang yung ano ko. But anyway, so may taong nakatingin sa akin. So, mamaya na lang tayo mag-usap. So, yun yung tingin ko na magustong mapahiya si Mateo. Pero, I think may maraming mga ebidensya yung mga tao doon. And also, hindi lang yung mga tao may mga ebidensya. May mga CCTV. Kung ibigay man yung CCTV. Kung merong mga CCTV doon. Ano yung guard ba? Yung guard, Bisaya din yun. Parang Bisaya yung magsasalita siya. Nakakaluka lang, parang inutusan lang, parang binayaran lang ni Mami Divine. Si Mami Divine daw is nanginginig sa galit at saka natulak pa daw yung dalawang babae, si Sarah at saka yung isa. Nagkapasa-pasa pa nga sila. Kaloka naman ito. But anyway guys, I will see you later. Naghintay lang ako kay Tami kasi si Tami andun dito sa lugar. Lang siya, may biniling part dito. Dito somewhere. So what are you buying?
It's a nozzle for the oil burner. This is what squirts the oil in a fine mist. So we can light it.
Okay, so what? I thought you just put new one.
No, I just cleaned the one just to get it going. It had to be replaced, but
How much is it?
$30 for the two.
Each?
No, for the two screens. I love you, honey. I love you, honey.
Can you just say it again? People say that you're so sweet. I want you to be a
so
sweet
sweet.
guy. Okay, can you
Who
just
said that? I reject that remark.
She rejected.
I reject that remark. I'm not really sweet.
He's very sour. Ala. Then you can marry them.
Of course, I didn't call them Korean either.
You can marry them if you want. They're very sweet to you.
Yeah.
And I have... Yeah?
Yeah, they're very sweet to me.
So you can marry them if you want.
Oh, you mean that?
And I'm telling you, honey, you can do that, honey. It's be painful, but I will accept. I will accept that you will marry another people. It will be hurt for a while, but I know I will forget you.
Guys, what you don't realize, my wife's a little freaking nutty.
What you said?
My wife's a little freaking crazy. Oh, boss, yeah.
So right now, we are going to cemetery, guys. Cemetery tayo.
Crawling in front of me and doing 10 miles an hour in a 60-mile zone. Yeah, that pisses me off. So yes, I bitch at stuff like that. They cut me off, they swerve into me without even looking. Yeah, I bitch about that stuff.
Talaga itong ulan, guys, hindi talaga hindi talaga huhupay. What kind of husband are you? So, I got onion for the house, garlic, and I got pork belly. I'll cook it here that you can have. Okay? Yeah. I cook it here. And what else? Spinach. There's no cranberry on sale. Nothing. I look in the all of them. Nothing.
Yeah, several times. 2 days ago, I guess.
How come?
Well, because I tell you to look for what's on sale because you generally just grab it and go.
So now I'm lying to you because I don't get anything. That's who you think I am, liar.
No, that's not what I think you are. You sitting there saying, well, they had something there, but I don't even know what kind of fruit was on some fruit. Okay. They run different things on sale, so that was a different thing. I was just trying to figure out what it was they had on sale.
I want to pick some freaking bread. I'm confused with the price. Hawaiian.
They had Hawaiian bread? Was it
The
a big
small
one?
Yeah, the small one, the small bag. It's crazy when you do grocery, guys. and I don't like grocery, to be honest. I like shopping, house things, shopping like house stuff like that. Guys, that is Lunky Funky. It's ordered this, honey.
It's looking funky.
Yes. How high is that, honey?
Yes, really.
It's Lunky Funky. It's Lunky Funky.
So rock about